People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made fresh coconut milk at home and how to store it. Okay, so first thing first, remove the coconut flesh from the shell and then cut into smaller pieces just to help with the blender's blade. And then wash the coconut pieces and then put into a blender. Sometimes I blend the coconut into steps depending on the amount. Okay, so after that I put it into a blender and then I pour enough water just to cover the coconut pieces. I do not use a lot of water whenever I'm making coconut milk because I don't want it to be watered down. I rather my coconut milk to be very rich. So after blending the coconut pieces, I pour the coconut milk into a container and then I strain it using a strainer. Now I do not juice the coconut milk twice, just once, because if I juice it twice, then I will be adding more water to the coconut milk. Why? It is just watering it down, okay? And I don't like that. I like my coconut milk, as I mentioned before, to be very rich. So I only juice it once. Okay, so after that, now I am not ready to use my coconut milk as yet. So what I'm going to do is to portion it out into 3 plastic bags. Okay, and then I'm going to put into the freezer and kept it frozen for up to 2 weeks or until I am ready to use it. That is basically it. In rural areas in Jamaica, you can get coconut milk to buy in a plastic bag just like this. Depending on the seller, you can get it up to $200 per bag. Now if you're planning to do something like this business wise, make sure that you have your food handlers permit, because there are haters everywhere, and if they call the health inspector to your place of business or to your home or wherever you are conducting the business and you do not have a food handlers permit, then you will have to pay a fine, right? So make sure so you have that so that you are certified to look about food to sell to the public, right? Yeah, man, and you can get your food handlers permit at any clinic across the island. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Walk good.